Welcome to Tamco's Tutorials. This tutorial is going to be on the fisheye eliminator, the HP1010. No video on this, I'm just going to tell you about the fisheye eliminator so you understand it. Tamco's universal fisheye eliminator was formulated to help the painter overcome fisheye problems as they occur from contamination that sometimes occurs on the surface of the object to be painted or in the air inside the spray booth. All fisheye eliminators are merely a band-aid solution and should not be depended on. Using Tamco 397 before and after sanding as well as 398 final wipe just before painting is critical of reducing the need for fisheye eliminators. Mix of the fisheye. Mix a ½ ounce of HP1010 to 1 quart of ready to spray material. Do not use in primer or base coat unless you add it through every top coat or clear coat going over coatings that contain fisheye. Doing so will increase fisheyes in the top coats. If you have fisheye in one coat, then you must put fisheye eliminator in every coat after that to the end, to your last coat of clear. Say you spray sealer down, you got fisheye. You add fisheye to your base, every coat there up, even the clear has to have the fisheye in it. Okay, now, again, it's a band-aid. You should not have fisheye unless you've got problems in your spray booth or spray area. Detail shops next to a booth, people spraying engine dressings next to the booth or in the shop, not all good. All right, a fisheye eliminator. It's there when you need it, but like I said, it's only for a band-aid. Only comes in pints, and ½ ounce to 1 quart of mixed ready to spray liquid. All right, fisheye eliminator, HP1010. See ya.